Hi friends, today we'll discuss about Java OOPS concepts. So we have some OOPS concepts in Java: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction. So in this video we'll discuss brief one by one. In next video we'll discuss in detail each one. So now we'll discuss about encapsulation. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation means putting together the variables and methods in a single unit called as class. So this is the declaration of class. Here I am declaring two variables and one method putting together in a class. So this is the example for encapsulation. So inheritance. What is inheritance? Inherit the state and behavior from other classes. So we can override the state and behavior in subclasses also. So we have four types of inheritance in Java. One is single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multiple inheritance. So we'll discuss about single inheritance. Single inheritance. Single inheritance means one parent class should have only one child class. So that is called single inheritance. Here we have parent class as A and child class as B. So class B extends class A. Here we are using the keyword called extend to inherit the properties of parent class to child class. So these parent class have only one child class. So this is called single inheritance. So multi-level inheritance. Here the child one class have child class and that child class have one more child class. This is called like chaining process. This is called multi-level inheritance. So this class B extends class A, class C extends class B. Class A is the superclass of class B and class B is the superclass of class C. So now we'll go with hierarchical inheritance. So here one parent class have two child classes. Class A have class B and class C. These both classes extends with same class is class A. This is called hierarchical inheritance. So this is multiple inheritance. Here two parent classes have same child class. But Java does not support the multiple inheritance through classes because let us see one example. If class A have one variable called string name, class B also have same variable string name. So in class C, if we call super.name, the JVM will get confusion from which class we have to get that variable. So that ambiguity will happen. So simply it will throw the error. So polymorphism. Polymorphism means many forms. It exists more than one form. There are two types of polymorphisms. One is static binding and one more is dynamic binding. Static binding will check at compile time. Example method overloading. Dynamic binding will check at runtime. The last one is abstraction. Abstraction means hiding the code and showing the functionality. So the best example for this is called ATM. See, while we go to ATM, if we are trying to withdraw the money, so only we can see the functionality. We can't see the code behind that functionality, right? So that is hiding the code and showing the functionality. If we perform withdraw operation, we'll get the money. So we can't see the code. So these are all the OOPS concepts. So I have explained briefly in this video. In next video, we'll go through